Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and I got a product that will help around the house, give you remote control over some of those lamps and devices that screw into a light socket. Yes, right down to a light. If you've got a light that is up in the ceiling and you got a pull chain and you'd like to turn that on remotely, we've got the product right here. Let's open it up and get right into it. It's a light socket remote control product. It's got a user manual. This is the remote control. It only does two things. Turns the light on, turns the light off. And here is the remote control light socket. Now, I've got a light bulb in a socket here for testing, and I'm going to show you that when it's just plugged in like this, the light comes on, but I can't control it unless I have a switch on here. It's manual. So, I'm going to plug that in, and now if I want to, that light socket is hot, I can take this out. And right here is a switch. This switch will allow you to turn the whatever's in here on without the remote control, and we'll show that. You just screw this into any light socket that needs power on it, so if there's a switch on it, you need to have it on for this to be able to work. Now we will plug or screw our light bulb in, and I can turn this on just by pushing that switch on and off. Sometimes that might work well. The remote control is over on the wall or out of your reach. You can, if you just need to turn it on, do that. But you don't have to leave it on. It's off right now. Now, here's the remote control. 1 is on and 0 is off. Right there. And then, now, this can be mounted on a wall. And here you have some screws if you want to secure it. But here is the plate. Goes with it. Right here. And this will go right into there, and you can mount this on the wall. Now you can mount it with the screws, or you got two strips of tape right here, double-sided. Put one there, one here, and just stick it on the wall. Some people, that might be the answer. Now I'm going to show you how to get this apart. The instructions tell you to kind of go to one corner, but I found right here a little flat tip screwdriver right in this base right here where that little clip is, right there. See, there's no other one around except that one. Now you just kind of put this in here and just push, and then pop up, and then you, once it's up, you can kind of, well, you have to kind of, there. Once you get it to a certain point, then you can just pry it out. Don't feel like you're going to break it. It just snaps. Okay, so that's what's holding it in along with these little clips. Now this is what you can use your screws to screw right there, or let's say you peel this off, stick it on there, and then peel this one off, stick it there. Then you peel the top part off, find the location that you want to stick it to, and push it there real good and hard, and it will stay. Now, then what you do is, once this is up there like this, then you find the little clip that goes in there, and then you would push this on, and then this just pushes right in with the up, and it's in there. And to pull it out, you can just kind of pull on it and out it comes. Now I didn't quite have it in there. There, it snaps. Okay, and then to get it out, you just push on the back and it'll snap out. That's it. Now, in the instructions, if for some reason it's not paired, there's some instructions that tell you how to pair. You press and hold this till the light blinks on this, and then you push the power button and it will pair up. So mine was already paired, and chances are yours will be, but the instructions tell you very easily how to do it. Folks, this is a very simple project or product, and the operation is absolutely great for a lot of things that you want to control. So anything that you want to control from a light bulb, you've got the answer, and a way to mount a switch. Okay, I want to thank you very much for watching my video.